Okay, and then the next topic is that is tool makers microscope. Okay, this is come under the measurement of thread angle and form. Okay, normally the thread angle and the form are generally found by using an optical projector, which may be horizontal or vertical. Okay, now in the this is the one tool maker microscope is a versatile optical measuring machine. It's a versatile optical measuring machine, and it is it is a direct reading type measuring instrument, and it is mainly used in the inspection of what gauges, tools, screw threads, jigs and the fixtures. So it is used for external and internal length measurement and curvatures and the angles, etc. So now we will go to the construction. That this figure shows the tool maker microscope. Okay, it consists of heavy hollow base for accommodating the illuminating unit. This is the hollow base table, and this is the hollow base. Okay, the table is mounted on a base, and it is equipped with a micrometer screw to move it into the mutually perpendicular directions in the horizontal plane. So we are using here one screw here, that is micrometer screw for lateral movement of table. We are using this screw, and again we are using another one screw here. This screw is used for what? This is also we can call as a micrometer screw for longitudinal movement of table. So this is what a hollow base. The base the table is mounted on the base, that is cross slides, and it is equipped with a micrometer screw. One is here for lateral movement of a table, and another one screw is here. The micrometer, we can call also, it is also a micrometer screw, that is for longitudinal movement of a table. So both should be both the screws to move it in a two mutually perpendicular directions in horizontal plane. And the table can be rotated through 360 degree, and the angular rotation can be read on a fixed vernier scale. So just I will write it and name the figure. This is what a supporting column, and here we are using, this one is a clamping screw, and this is what a optical head, and this is the table, and this one above here we are having a two eyepieces to show two eyepiece here. These are the eyepieces, and this is the eyepiece unit. So this table can be rotated through 360 degree, and the angular rotation can be read on the fixed vernier scale. So the optical head we are using here, the optical head, this is the optical head. It is mounted on a vertical column. Here. Optical is mounted on a vertical column. It can be moved up and down. And to clamp the optical head at any desired position. A clamping screw is provided. Just see it out. This is the clamping screw. The purpose of this screw is to clamp the optical head at any desired position. We are using a clamping screw. So and finally the optical head also carries an eyepiece unit. See here, this is optical head also. This is optical head. It carries an both eyepiece unit. which is in which the different IPs are mounted. This is about the construction of the tool maker microscope. Next we will discuss the working and the application of the tool microscope. So in the working of the tool maker microscope, during the measurement the component is mounted on a glass plate kept on a table. So this is the glass plate here kept on a table. So the light source provide a beam of light which is reflected by 90 degree from a mirror towards the table. So this is the way, see here 90 degree from the mirror towards the table, 90 degree from mirror towards the table. A light beam passes through a transparent glass plate and a shadow image of workpiece passes through the objective of the optical head. Once it is passes through the optical head, this is projected by a system of 3 prism to a ground glass screen, and again now the observations are made through the eyepiece of the optical head, and by tilting the measuring head, the direction of light source can be tilted with respect to the workpiece. Once the tilting of the measure head, the direction of the light source can be tilted with respect to the workpiece. That is happened in this tool microscope. Once it is necessary in the screw thread measurement. For the measurement purpose, the cross lines are marked. On the ground glass screen. It can be rotated through 360 degree and the angle is measured. This is the working procedure of the tool microscope, and some few applications are there. Basically it is used for the measurement of angles by using the protractor eyepiece, as we discussed in the working, and the comparison of the thread forms with master profile marked in the eyepiece. So comparison of the thread forms with a master profile marked in the eyepiece, that can be done in the tool microscope, and it is used for the measurement of pitch and effective diameter, as we discussed in the point number 1. And the last point, the comparison of an enlarged projected image with a scale tracing fixed on the screen. So some angle tracing should be done here. We have discussed in here. The transparent and the shadow image work passes through here. In the working we have shown here, for the measurement purpose the cross lines are marked on the ground glass screen. So same the application also we have mentioned here, the comparison of the enlarged projected image with a scale tracing is fixed on the screen. That is discussed in the working, in the last point of the working of the tool microscope. This is about the construction, working and the applications of the tool maker's microscope. This is very important for the examination. Thank you.